Have you ever wondered how a morning cup of coffee manages to turn you from a zombie into a functional human being? Well, you're not alone. Every year, people around the world consume over 100,000 metric tons of caffeine. That's as heavy as 14 Eiffel Towers. But what is it about caffeine that gives us that jolt of energy, even when we're running on just a few hours of sleep? Let's start with what happens when you're tired. Your brain naturally produces a chemical called adenosine, which builds up throughout the day. The more adenosine you have, the sleepier you feel. It's your body's way of saying, time to call it a night. But here's where caffeine comes in. When you sip your tea, coffee, or energy drink, caffeine travels through your bloodstream and into your brain. There, it does something clever. It pretends to be adenosine. Caffeine fits neatly into the adenosine receptors in your brain, blocking them and preventing the real adenosine from attaching. So instead of feeling tired, your brain gets a break from those sleep now signals, and suddenly you feel more awake and alert. But that isn't the whole story. With adenosine out of the way, your brain's natural stimulants like dopamine and norepinephrine have free rein. These chemicals boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and give you that kick of energy we all crave in the morning, or let's be honest, any time after lunch. Now, it isn't all sunshine and rainbows. While caffeine can make you feel unstoppable, it can also have some less than pleasant side effects. It raises your heart rate and blood pressure, and if you overdo it, you might end up feeling jittery, anxious, or even struggle to fall asleep later. That's because caffeine can stick around in your system for hours, sometimes 6 or more. And here's a fun fact, not everyone reacts to caffeine the same way. Your genetics, your age, and even how much caffeine you drink regularly all play a part in how buzzed you feel after that extra espresso shot. So next time you're enjoying your favorite coffee or tea, remember, you're not just waking up, you're pulling off a chemical trick on your own brain. Used wisely, caffeine can help you feel more alert and focused. But like all good things, it's best in moderation. Stay curious and maybe switch to decaf after 4 p.m. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching.